pusa. Pupusuan ninyo.
Yamaha! Yamaha!
Mas maamoy ang power ka.
Bell. Saan ba?
Bukanda forever!
Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog.
Di mo mapantayan ang aking kapangyarihan! Yeah, welcome to a motovlog. And the motovlog is about the 5 benefits of giving your cat a cat food. Well, if your cat is so lame and always have malnutrition and something, you must give him or her a good nutrition. Well, in our list today, we will give you the 5 benefits of giving your cat a cat food. It's the food that they deserve. They are the cat. Okay, first on our list is of course when the cat eats cat food, they will have good nutrition. Yes, of course, good nutrition is best for your cat, and the cat is good. He or she will good eating habits because yes, she has good nutrition in herself, and she will eat more. When they eat more, they get more nutrition. They will not sick easily. Oh, okay. Yes, that's first on our list. And the next on our list is they will look good. Yeah, of course, they will look good. They will have good fur. They will not have this loss of hair all the time. There's no fur balls or something else. They will have a good thing on their health self. Basika, they will have good something else. They will have good eyesight, something else, because they are well nutritioned. Also on their claws, you know, sharp and very good. Although to defend themselves, not for you to be scratched. Yes, they are good, they will look good. They look nice. They have color, good color vibrance. You know, if your cat is orange, they will look really orange. If your cat is white, you will have white color. You will be pissed off like that one. Orange, stupid, yeah. Like polishing of a car. You have good wax, good protection against the sun or whatever. Yeah, next on our list is I will think about it later on. Vlog in a motovlog. This is crazy. We'll find a U-turn slot. Palengke State. There's the U-turn slot. Legal U-turn slot. Well, everybody doesn't know how to drive. Oh, did I got something else? Parang meron dun sa likod ng ano. Wala naman. Dun sa likod ng aking paa. Hindi mo kayo kailangan i-adjust dun sa ano. Ewan ko lang, dapat dun sa ano. Mga kumag, oh. O sige, pakamatay ka. O, pakamatay ka. Kill, kill, kill. Ang sarap kasi, ano yung counterflow eh. Saka na, ibili ako cat food tapos sasalubungin nyo. Kawawa naman din yan mga nagbabisikleta sa side na to. Sayang, sayang ang guys. Bibili lang tayo ng cat food. Final benefits ng cat. Matay ang cat. Dito sa cat. Pabili po. Magkano power cut adult? Ay, ito. Sige nga, 1 kilo lang. The next on our list, if you give your cat a cat, they will get stronger, no? If you give your cat a cat food, it's really for them. with good nutrition, of course, they will be lively. They will have good, stronger bones, stronger inner side, no? Just like you, just like us humans, just like earthlings, you know, when earthlings love to eat nutritional foods, they will get stronger. They will have good eyesight, they will have good stomach, whatever, digestion, their insides, they will be stronger. Well, because of this good nutrition. That's a good one. That's the one thing I think about just now while I'm riding a motorcycle, bro. Okay, the next on our list. Vlogging at the morning ride, on our list is, of course, if you give your cat a cat food, they will not get sick easily. Of course, everyone gets sick. They might eat something else or what, but kind of nutrients like this vitamins already inside of that cat food. Especially those expensive ones that they have promising good thingy, good nutritional value and vitamins. They will not get that. They will not get sick easily. That's one. That's one. Good cat food. And yeah, the next is if they can't get sick, they can play more. They can play more. They can, you know, be more. Okay. They will have good outsprings, more things in life. The last one, important one. It is not clearly proven, but it's a theory of ours. It seems that this cat will live longer. Of course, and of course, if you eat good food, like us humans, same as earthlings, we will live longer if we eat good nutritional food. No, not like those instant noodles, instant things. Your cat will live longer, so she or he can be with you for a longer period of time. Can grow old. Sometimes it can grow old with you, I think. But the maximum life, I think, for those cats is only 10 years or like that. But most of them only last 3 years or 5 years at least. They die in old age. No. Bark. Goodbye, bark. Well, that's the 5 benefits that our cat will get out of the cat food. So better you buy good decent cat food for your cat. Make themselves, cook themselves a good food for them. So at least they can have good nutrition also. Not those leftovers or especially those spoiled ones. The pani, trakadoos. If you agree on our list, give this video a thumbs up always, and always subscribe to our understandable YouTube channel. It's me Soned, sa umaga nagpa-vlog, sa umaga nag-ride for his morning ride, of course. Yeah. Goodbye, Earthlings. See you on the next video again. Just don't forget to click that notification bell for another 5 list or live in the morning like this following video right now. That's our sound. Yamaha. We have a soundtrack already for our earning. Yamaha. Saluda! Bye, Ninja. Bye. Yeah, bye-bye, pizza bye. That's all. Yeah, let's sing again. Yamaha. Hey, Yamaha. Lasong syndrome. Hello, Kit. Hello, Common. It's so full already. You have got cat food now. You have little baby and you have... It's always sleeping. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm so full. You have eaten so much of the cat food already. Okay. Oh, well.